What's up, YouTube? What's up, y'all? My name's Rabi Raj Jones, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today we're doing a quick tutorial on how to get details in your text. So you might think downloading images are only for backgrounds, but no, you are very wrong. So yes, I think I've already revealed what I'm about to do, but all the same, let's get to it. So I have my text here, and it's white, and it says text. It's a text in text. So I'm going to change the color to, let's say, yellow, because whatever I'm about to do, and probably you saw the thumbnail was yellow. So yeah, I'm going to change this white text into yellow. Then my PC is dragging me this afternoon, and all the same. So right now we have yellow as the color for the text. So I'm just going to move on to file, move on to place embedded, and I'm going to select an image, right? Yes, an image, a very nice image that I can insert into the text. So I have this image here. You see this wavy background type of thing. Let me just select it, and I'm going to load it into the work, and I'll teach you guys the next thing. So let's wait a little while. Okay, so definitely the image has to pass through Camera Raw, and I've already done a tutorial on how to let your images pass through Camera Raw. So I'm going to open an image like this, and we are going to rotate it or flip horizontal. Then I am going to rotate 90 degrees clockwise. Wow, I didn't see that coming. So you scale it up to fill the whole text like this. Yeah, so now the image is downloading, and the next thing I'm going to do is right click on the image and click on create clipping mask. Right, create clipping mask. So we've clipped the image into the text. Then the next thing to do is, while you still selected the image, you move on to the blend mode, click on the normal here, then you select overlay. Yeah, so basically you are overlaying the image into the text, and the image having the details are going to portray the details into the text, and still maintaining the colors of the text. So after you have done this, you can reduce the opacity to, let's say, 58, 77. It depends on what you want to do. Yes, and one thing that you can add to make this look so good is to add some inner glow to it. So I'm going to right click on the effects down here, select inner glow. Then as you can see it's very light, so I'm just going to add a little bit of size to the inner glow and then reduce the opacity a little bit, and yes, click on OK. It looks very dope. And one thing that I love about this is you can change the color to anything. So right now we have yellow, right? Let me change to red, and you guys can see how it works. No, this red is not ready. The red is not ready. Well, let's try blue and see. It depends on how you want the text to look like. So let's try blue and see. Yes, this is how blue is going to turn out. Let's try is it violet or whatever, and see. Yes, this one too is dope. So it depends on what you do, and whatever color you choose, you have to go back into the inner glow and change the color for the inner glow. So you see we have yellow here, you have to change it to, let's say, pink or something, then you reduce the opacity. And there's one thing that you guys should notice. If you overlay an image onto the text and you have your gradient overlay on or your color overlay on, the image won't show. So right now you see the image is still clipped into the text, but then it's not showing because the gradient overlay is still on. And even so, if you try it with color overlay, the image won't show. You see the image is not appearing, right? So all you have to do is, it's either you rasterize the text before you, if let's say you have, let me just demonstrate this real quick. I have my gradient overlay on, and I want to add the text into the gradient overlay. I can't do that unless I rasterize the text. I don't know if there's any other way to achieve this, but then what I know is you have to rasterize the text and the layer style before you can have the image working as you want it to be. So right now you see we have the image in the text here, and it's also giving out its own colors. There's a whole lot of endless possibilities and endless colors that you can get when you start exploring into this. So before you rasterize your text, make sure that you duplicate it so that you can still have another duplicate there should in case you want to change anything or anything. Yes. So guys, that is the end of the tutorial. If you don't understand anything, ask me the question in the comment section, and yes, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll make sure to see you in the next one. Bye bye.